We're talking about the seat foam pack. This is our back, rigid cover that is fiberglass. It mirrors the inside of the seat. You'll see the concept of this. This is the foam pack. We're going to make a mold of this eventually. But for now, in the meantime, you take the insert, which fits the seat, and we're just trying to mirror our seat here, but we want the foam to come out more. Open up your deck there a little bit. And so we're trying to make access to get inside the car, so we're not making the seat gigantic. The foam pack, the foam we can make bigger. You trimmer guys, you know how to do that. I've watched you. And so we're trying to keep it simple. A rigid back that you can glue your foam into on the back. And also on the bottom. It mirrors the inside of it. So now you come inside of here with your Velcro. And you Velcro in your pieces. Design your foam how you want it. And this seat is made for our deck. You can go ahead and close that deck down. And so bring the foam out more, build some bolsters. You got to use your own imagination. Everybody's got different thoughts, desires. Thanks for watching.